What is going on, guys, and welcome to another unboxing and first look video here on my channel. This time I have another phone from Asia, the Doogee Y8, and we will have a look at this right after the intro. Alright, so it comes in a pretty nice packaging. I mean, it's nothing special, it's just like a normal packaging. So the Y8 runs on Android 9, has a 3400 mAh battery, two rear-facing cameras, one with 8 megapixels, one with 5 megapixels, a quad-core CPU with 1.5 GHz, and a 19:9 6.1 inch water drop screen, which is quite interesting, and a 5 megapixels front camera. So I would say we have a look what's inside the box. Okay, so we have the phone here, put that aside for now, and have a look what's inside the box. A lot of carton. So inside the box doesn't look that great. So we have the charger, it's a European charger, and it's a micro USB cable. So no USB-C, and we have a manual and a warranty card and the SIM ejector tool. We put that aside for now and have a look at the phone. So again, get this out of here. So before I boot the phone up and have a first look on the OS, there's another screen protector on it with the specs. A 19:9 6.1 inch water drop screen, 5 megapixel front camera, like I said before, the camera and so on. Don't think we have to go over that as well. So I peel off this screen protector now, and there we have the phone. Alright, so let's have a quick look around the phone itself. Like I said, 6.1 inch water drop display with the notch. We see the big chin down here. On the back side we see again the buttons, the cameras, the rear flash. Remove the sticker here real quick. Alright. So it's a pretty nice color. That's called emerald green. It's also available in purple and in black, but I thought I'd go for something different this time. We have the fingerprint reader here. On the top we have a headphone jack. On the bottom we have two speakers, I guess, or maybe it's only one speaker and one is the microphone, and the micro USB port. On here we have the SIM card tray and volume up, volume down, and power button. So I would say I boot this up now. Let's see. Alright, powered by Android. Doogee. I don't know if I spell the name right, or maybe it's Doogee, I don't know. It's a China phone, so yeah, let this boot up here. It looks pretty decent so far. I mean, what you can notice, it doesn't have the slimmest bezels, especially the chin down here is quite big, says the brand name as well. I mean, up here it's not that bad. So we boot it into the OS now, and I will go through the settings right now. I will leave this on English, United States doesn't matter. Start. No, we don't want a card right now. Okay. Looking for Wi-Fi's. So I will log into my Wi-Fi here. Alright, now we have the option to copy apps and data. We want to say don't copy for now. And yeah, it goes through the process now. Just a sec, checking info. So I think for this video we can skip the process of typing in all my information, and I will be back once I'm on the home screen. Alright, so I'm through the process with the setup and we are on the home screen right now. Yeah, it's already getting some messages. Yeah, it's the typical Google layout. We have some pre-installed applications here, like the FM radio, power saving management. So let's have a look into the settings. Yeah, typical Android settings menu. Seems like they haven't changed too much here. As you can see, 35% of the 16 gigabytes are used by the system, so that's 5.5 gigabytes already. That's a lot. And yeah, let's look into the system. Yeah, here we have our update options, I guess. So about the phone, the Y8. Let's have a look if there's an update, and we see there's a new version available with optimization of the system and minor bug fixes, so I will download that later. You will see a full review soon here on my channel, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, if you're interested in that. And besides that, I would say that's it for the first look. Alright, so before the video ends, let's do a quick comparison with the Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite. So you can see it's a bit smaller than the Doogee, and yeah, but the chin is a bit smaller as well, and we don't have this water drop. We have a notch, a bit bigger, but besides that, I would say that's it for this video. If you want to see more about the Doogee and maybe a comparison with the A2 Lite, make sure you subscribe this channel, hit the bell button so you get notified about all my upcoming videos. And for now, thanks for watching and see you next time.